Dan ni goset, mae angen newyddion da arna ni. Os na newyddion gwell, dwedwch chi, ar ôl y diagnosis o gancer difrifol, mae o'n nôl ar y fainc i'r Bala. Shannon at Kay, at Kieran Smith. Diolch di chwares mis Hydref, diolch yn edrych, felly mae'n mynd y holl ffordd! Bydde di bod yn gol gampus, nath o bopeth yn iawn, fydd o'n siomedig efo'r ergyd ola.
Wel, ti'n gwybod be, amrediad ganddo fo.
A mae Bala. Dyn nhw'n swyl yn y munud agoriadol, mae hynny'n sicr. Ac petai chi yn gorfod dewis pwys di bod, fwyaf positif, fwyaf ymosodol, fyddech chi'n deud o bosib ar ymwelwyr.
Dyn nhw ddim yn mynd i adael y Seintiau Newydd chwarae allan o'r cem. Dyna di'r negas.
Leo Smith arbediad da iawn gan Ramsey. A mae Smith, mae gynno fo'r ddawn yn does i symud bron yn ddisymwth i mewn i'r lle, ac o gynno fo gymaint o le. Sislevic. Chwilio am y cyfle groes sydd wedi gyd yn dda iawn i gael i mewn i'r cwrt. O! A'r ergyd yn y diwedd gan Redmond.
Arbediad campus honna. Mae honna yn mynd i mewn i'r gornel. Mae Ramsey yn darllen i dipyn bach a mynd y ffordd cywir. Gwych.
Mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd. Nawr te, Rosgro sydd wedi bod yn dawel am y rwy'n y teimlo bod yn temtio ffawd. Ac oedd hwnna'n ergyd ardderchog. Nawr te, hwnna gam sefyll. Spender oedd i fewn. Ac ergyd gyntaf gan Robles yn rhoi'r cyfle iddo fo. Oedd wedi mynd rhy gynnar.
Ond dwi dal i disgwyl Ramsey. Cadw hwnna'n saff yn ei ddwylo.
Gêm gyntaf, Adam Rosgro. Be newch chi o'r 28 munud mae wedi gael Ockham?
Wel, dwi'n bod tro'n edrych fel ymosodwr. Faint o gyfleon mae wedi greu iddo fo'i hun. Faint o gyfleon mae wedi gael yn y tîm. Faint o groesiadau mae wedi gael.
Redmond yn ei chipio hi. A dyma fo ar y gair! Dyna'r amlyca mae wedi bod. Ac o'i safon o a'r cyffros wedi bod, a'r sôn amdano fo, ddyle honna wedi bod yng nghefn yr hwyd.
Ac am y pres mae wedi dal amdano fo hefyd.
Ni'n mynd i cadeud hynny. Shannon. Sbiwch eto. Routledge ar ei ôl. Mae wedi gweithio mor galed. Mae Bale wedi cyrraedd Correa. Correa troi! Oedd o'n grif anna, oedd yna dynnu ar ei grisod, oedd o'n poeni dim arno fo. A mi gafodd o chwip o ergyd, ond oedd yn syth at y golwr. O! To yr hwyd! A mae Sislevic ar gyfnodau yn y gêm yma di chwarae gyslad wedi weld o'n chwarae. Mewn â hi eto! Draper ddoth ar draws, ond mae yna gegrydd yn mynd i fod i'r Seintiau Newydd.
Gret o'r ediad gan Greg, dyn am di digwydd trwy prawn efo'r Osgro.
As a ddim calon wan ymhlith y cysau coch yma. Nawr te, oedd honna lawiad gan Astles. Oedd honna'n lawiad gan Astles. Astles. Mullen. Ergyd isel arbediad da. A mae Sislevic yn dod fwy mewn yn ymosodol yn dydi. Mae o'n edrych fel dyn sy'n mynd i sgorio. Sislevic eto. Mae ar dan. Ag eto.
Fo ydy'r boi Sislevic. Mae'n neud pethau ddigwydd lle disgwyl ddigwydd dod i fewn yn asgell chwyth na. Mae o'n dod hon di'r ergyd.
Venables!
Oedd o'n cam sefyll.
Ac o fod wedi cyrraedd.
Oedd o ddim yn cam sefyll.
O fod wedi cyrraedd. Falle, y dyle fod i gyda well.
Da mae'n cael digon arni. Da ni weld o'n sgorio gymaint o heina.
Mariad i Chymru di. O hynna well. O, am arbediad adweithiol. Sislevic oedd o. Ac mae Ramsey wedi gwneud yn gampus fanna. Da chi yn rhyw deimlo. Dos ar un o'r ddau mae'n heiddi colli. Venables mewn. Venables eto. Mae Hudson di gwneud digon. Mae'r ddrama yn para at yr eiliadau ola.
Well, Colin, I'll start with the big talking point. Should you have had a penalty in that second half? From where I seen it, obviously it's the bottom part of his arm, and Ewan's saying it's at his shoulder, which I think's wrong. And I've asked him give me a ring when he sees that he's got a bad decision wrong, and it's a blatant decision to give us. But Ewan's a good lad, and he hasn't tried to make a bad decision. If it is, but when I get home, I'll have a look at it. In terms of your team's performance, you really had to dig deep at times. How proud are you of the boys defensively this evening? Yeah, you know, we've had a long break. They've played a lot more competitive games than us coming into us. We've been limited what games we could get. But I'm proud of the lads, you know what I mean? We've had good chances towards the end. We were looking to win it in the last 5 minutes. Just shows how fit we are against the full-time team. And yeah, it was good. Ramsey's made some great saves and we hung on, but I'm proud of the lads. Good. Well, Scott, what are your thoughts on that game? You seem to do pretty much everything except score. Yeah, we've just said that now. I was pleased. I was pleased. Defensively, we looked solid. In possession, we moved it well at times. I think sometimes we played a little bit too safe in terms of because they sat in and we could have played around them a little bit more. But first half, we had a few chances. You know, some good chances. 3 that spring to mind, and then second half. I thought, again, dominated. Rams had a good save right at the end where he's tipped it over, really good save. Scissors had a few long-range shots, but yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, but it's a clean sheet. You know, we'll move on, but when you do have a lot of play and some very good chances, you feel a bit like, could we have done more? That's how I felt from the game, really.
I fi, da ni bach yn siomedig, dylen ni di trio mynd a chwilio am y gol gyntaf na, cos dwi'n meddwl, os ni wedi cael 1 gol, os ni wedi cael 2, 3 hefyd, ond na, nawn ni gymryd y pwynt, clean sheet a symud ymlaen i'r gêm nesaf. And in terms of, you know, the title race, in terms of the top of the table, a good point in the end, would you say? We've had a 100% record here. We haven't dropped points, so not really. Not really. I wouldn't be. I'm not too happy about it, getting a point. But you know, Bala strong. You know, good side, well organised, fit. You can see that today. How they wouldn't give us anything. You know, they were very, very close to us and they wouldn't give us an inch. So you just have to take it and move on to Haverfordwest next Saturday.